Okay, Vijay, your point is taken. This I will correct. I will put the real actual restriction as per the specific one from R1 to R9. Agree. Now I want to take your concurrence here because in B10 I am putting P, prohibited. Perforation, operation or activity which has got use and handling of explosive. So Vijay, I want your concurrence. If these activities are actually prohibited when you are doing the perforation of drill hole or you are handling the explosive?
No, only the handling area will be have a restriction. There's no prohibited part of it. Only the handling area within the drill pad location where we are going to handling the explosives. At that time, will have only restriction.
Okay, then I can make one other
not prohibition.
Okay, they agree. So what I will do, I will make another restriction: explosive material handling of explosives. I will make R10 specific risk. Okay. As for calculation for now, I make it R10. Not R10, okay, R10.
Remember, Chairman, please remember within the rig, it will be wherever the location, it will be prohibited within the rig side. Okay, when the construction, when it comes to the project construction, it will be a restriction part of it.
Yeah, okay? This is only for construction. This is only for construction. You're talking. Construction. Rig area, you follow your own. They will not intervene. But for this thing, I don't want to prohibit, and I put R10, and we have taken another restriction. Very nice. Good. This is the new restriction for me, so I will make it red because for my calculation, I have not done it. Okay. Oh, thank you, Vijay. Thank you. Good.
Chairman.
Yes.
I have a question. Can you go